And so as per the inputs what we have, so Hyundai Drive, the test platform is Cocubes. So you people already done with Cocubes test in third year during your assessments, different assessments. So you people are aware of Cocubes. So go through the Cocubes related stuff. Where it is technical related questions or any other stuff also, kindly go through Cocubes model paper. Then you'll get the idea. Yeah, really that is going to be a matter also. What is the test platform? Because in CoCubes, no, they'll ask different type of questions in reasoning. Particular models is there. If it is CoCubes, if it is AMCAT platform, particular models they'll follow. Okay, going with the which platform is also important. CoCubes, or else we can call it like ION. They call now as ION or CoCubes platform. And okay, as per the inputs, what we got, this is the scenario. Okay, CoCubes test platform and okay, quant reasoning verbal together it might be 45 questions, 45 minutes or maybe less than that. But all those three sections definitely there. Number of questions, timing may be changed, but quant reasoning verbal guarantee and psychometric test or personality test. 50 questions, 12 minutes like that. Or they give 100 questions, 20 minutes. The number of questions and timing may change, but that psychometric questions or personality test is okay, very less time. And those model PDFs is already shared in group. Again, I'll share it in the group. You check once. Okay. Psychometric test or personality test is they'll give some situation whether you agree or disagree for that. Strongly agree, slightly disagree. Okay, like that, there is a situation. Suppose, okay, maybe are you willing to lead the team? Agree, slightly agree, not agree, or you want to be a part of the team? Are you want to be a good team member, or are you want to be a good leader? Like that, they'll ask some questions, which is all related to your work competency, your work related questions they'll ask. You cannot think like somebody else, okay, because 50 questions, 12 minutes, that number of questions may change, but timing is very less. That's what you need to understand that. Okay, normally in any exam now, psychometric, they'll give very less time. In IBM also, no, 100 questions you may have, but hardly 10-15 minutes only they'll give. Okay, psychometric, like there is a situation where what is the answer for you? They don't give much time to think more. Okay, if you want to attempt all questions, okay, you need to go ahead a bit fast actually. And domain module, like okay, as you're from okay, electrical for electrical department or electronics or for mechanical, your domain subjects. When you're taking CoCubes assessment, no, you have your department oriented subjects like that. Here also you have domain module that they'll check your core subjects like digital electronics. They may check from okay control system subject. They may check from microprocessor for mechanical and civil related engines related IC engines. They'll go domain module and you people already taken multiple exams okay related to CoCubes. You may have some idea. And last one maybe it's not guarantee. Okay, they may enter into English assessment. Sorry, essay writing. We can say. Okay, written English test. One question you have to type around 150 words nearly in the 20 to 25 minutes time without any spelling mistakes. That all you need to take care of. This is what okay, but these three confirmed. Essay is a dot. Okay, but definitely you have a psychometric test. Domain module, quant reasoning verbal is there. Okay, domain module as per the inputs what we have, they give only 20 questions, 20 minutes like that. Okay, and more from quant reasoning verbal, you need to prepare accordingly. And there are a lot of videos related to CoCubes model papers shared in your groups. Okay, again we'll post it. You please go through those model papers. You'll get the idea. And okay, I'm straightforward going with the questions now. So once you are done this test pattern and all, these questions and time may be changed, but important thing is what sections is there. What is the areas they're focusing, right? And test platform, I repeat again, so CoCubes. That's what the inputs we got. Now here, if you observe this flow chart related, this is comes under reasoning. Definitely 2 or 3 questions in CoCubes. If it is CoCubes platform, then only you'll get. If it is AMCAT platform, no test platform, you don't get this topic actually. That's why oriented to, related to that platform is important. Which platform they're going to conduct. As per the inputs, what we received so far, they clearly mentioned the CoCubes, not AMCAT. So let's see about this question. What they said, first step is subtract. number in box 10 minus number in box 6, put the result in box 9. So box 10 is having 10, box 6 is having 6, the subtraction is 4, that is to be updated in box 9. So box 9 is 27, it is changed to 4 now. Previously 27, now I updated to 4. Next step is number in box 4 is less than number in box 9 is the question. Box 4 is having 13, box 9 is having 4. Is it true? Yes means directly jump to last before step. No means okay, I have to go for the next step. No, it's failed. 13 is more than 4, not less than 4. No, I have to go for the next step. What is next step is number in box 5. Number in box 5 is 8. Number in box 9 is 4. That product should be updated to box 3. Box 3 is 16. It is updated to 12. Okay, it depends on, right? So next one, number in box 1. 25, number in box 3 32, the result should be is 57, that is updated in box 4. Box 4 previously 30, now it is 57. Last step is divide number in box 3 by number in box 9. The result should be updated in box 6. 8 is the answer, that is updated in box 6. So now they're asking two questions. Okay, after all these changes, they're going to ask two questions. The first question is, at the end of this flowchart, which box have the highest value? Which box has highest value at the end? Box 4. They give the options box 1, box 2, box 3 like that. So box 4 is having the highest value. So that's the first question answer, box 4. Next one, from which of the steps, to be performed before step Q, the following will give the same results. For which of the step to be performed before step Q, the flowchart will give the same results. Q before what should be performed, so the result will be same they are asking. The result should be finally, what is box 6, 8, in box 4, 57, okay, and box 3 is updated to 32, this should be same. Okay, which of the steps should be performed before Q? Suppose if something, okay, RST, among RST, if anything is performed before Q and still we are getting same results means, okay, uh, then I have to select or else I have to go for the none. Let us see, okay, R, in R, what are the things is there? Box 5 and box 9. 9 is updated before in step P. If I put this before step Q, okay, R put before step Q, still result will be disturbed or not? No disturbance it seems, because P box 9 is updated to 4. Fine, so why might be? We'll check. If I put R before, okay, is that feasible or not? We'll check. Next, yes, if you put before box 1, okay, box 3 updated before. Yeah, S cannot be put before, that's for sure. S cannot put before. S is wrong because if I put S before Q, here definitely one is up, which is updated here is 32 is in box 3, right? If I put this S before Q, that box 4 3 cannot be 32, then the answer will be disturbed. What they are asking is which step can be performed before Q, but still the result is same. Result same in the sense box 6 should require 8 only, and this is box 4 should be 57 only. Box 3 must be 32 only, that should not be disturbed. Which can be performed before Q, they are asking. I cannot perform yes before Q because this box 3 is updated here. If I put it before no, box 3 will be 16 only, my answer will be disturbed. I don't get same results. You read the second question clearly. Which should be performed before step Q will give the same results. X cannot be performed before. If I perform T before, yeah, T also before this, then 3 cannot be updated. Here I want 3. Box 3 is 32. If I put before Q, no, 3 cannot be updated. I may get different answer. So that's not accepted. T also not accepted. Can we put R before Q? If I put R here, R before Q, then what will be there? Box 5 will be 8, it is not disturbed. Box 9 is updated in before step. I think R can be kept before Q. The result will not be disturbed. Okay, wait. But if R put before, no, if that condition, if suppose fail, number in box 4 is less than number in box 9, then it should go to the last step T. R and S should be skipped. Yeah, fine. I think that won't disturb anyhow. R can be kept before. The flow chart will give the same results for which of this step to be performed before step Q. Fine, but think about the problem. Okay, is like in Q step there is the two connections SRO. If I put something before Q, okay, suppose this condition failed. If Q is true, then directly we'll go for the last step, right? Okay, means here box 9 is updated. Maybe when it is true, then box 6 only we're going to be updated. For this question, if the particularly say for this values, yeah, I can put R before Q for this values. But for the entire chart means if I put R before Q, meaning will be disturbed actually. For this values, yes, I think R is okay. You can see once this is a different question. Generally, they'll ask which box is unregistered, what is stored in boxes, what is stored in box, and something like that. But this is a totally different question. Okay, what can be, which step can be performed before Q? Still, the flowchart will give the same results. Okay, for and here we need to see in two different styles. My worry is see for this question, okay, if I put R before Q also, 8 into 4 because 9 is already updated, box 5 is not disturbed anywhere, the result will be 32, it will be stored in box 3, remaining answers will not disturb. But I am thinking about one point, if suppose that condition is true, if that condition true as per this flow chart, box 9 and box 6 only to be updated. First box 9 updated, we'll come to that condition. If condition true, then which box should be updated is only box 6 to be updated. But if I put some step before Q, there is one more box update. I'm thinking about not this values. The values change. And if that condition true, then one more box is going to be updated before Q. So that I'm thinking, but what way they are seeing this question, I think for this box values only they'll check. Okay, if there is change, then question will change, right? So R is allowed here. R is allowed to take before Q. Still, this flow chart for this values will give the same result. I think R we can go ahead. So you need to worry about this flow chart related questions. 2 to 3 questions in reasoning. You can find flow chart. Next, very important is data interpretation. This is data interpretation bar graph. Here, screen may not be visible. I'll read the question. What they're asking is what is the percentage of marks obtained by Sachin? Okay, Sachin in session exams of June 2013 and December 2013 together. What is the percentage of marks obtained by Sachin in the session seasonal exams of June and December together? So June, how many marks Sachin got is 365. June, December is 400. Okay, and the session marks total is 500. Together means denominator 1000. Every time 500, 500 they are getting. They are taking together June and December 500 plus 500, 1000. Percentage means into 100. The marks he obtained is 365 plus 400, 765 divided by 10, which is 76.5%. Option A. This is bar graph. Data interpretation definitely. You can find 2 questions in different Cocubes platform. If it is Cocubes test platform, no, every time they'll give data interpretation related questions. It can be some other diagram. It is a bar graph. They may give some table or some other diagram. Okay, definitely you have a question. That's what 76.5% is the answer. Next, same question, same diagram, other question. When determination, I said two questions like, okay, this is what one diagram they're asking two questions. In which of the following seasonal exams there is a falling percentage of marks as compared to the previous? Compared to previous, this is fall. So in graph, which one is decreased compared to previous is simple, right? Okay, in how, okay, denominator is same, 500, 500 only. Numerator where it is decreased compared to previous, that month we have to go. Observation anywhere down compared to previous, no, right? 360, 365, 370, 385, 400, 405. Denominator 500 only. So percentage fall, okay, percentage increase or percentage fall means percentage decrease. Like last percentage. Okay, last compared to previous year, it should decrease. There is no decrease actually. I have to check the options. None of the seasonal exams, none it is decreased. Every season they are increasing 5 marks or something is increased. So there is no decrease actually. They are asking fall. There is no fall. So that's what it is. Next, coding and I am taking one set in today's session. Quant reasoning together one set, around 30 questions. Okay, you have quant reasoning, verbal, all three. I'm taking quant and reasoning one full set. Found is coded as NX FVM. Then hopes is coded as what? Coding and decoding. This is Cocubes model paper screenshots only, all are recent things. Found is with certain logic given as this. Then what about hopes? You know D value how much? 4. M value 13. Okay, so 4 and 13 means it's plus 9. N is a 14, V is 22, plus 8. Here this is 6. Okay, this is 8. 15 and 24 plus 9. Okay, they're going with alternate. Is it so? Okay, or reverse also we can see plus 10. Yeah, I think this is better. This way plus 10 plus 10. Plus 7 plus 7. Okay. S is 19 plus 10. No. First one plus 8. You can see the options also. You can take help of options. Options first letter starts with W or D. Then you can think in that direction as well. I can cross multiply or back to front. D and N plus 10. N and X also plus 10. F is 6, N is 13 plus 7. O is 15, B is 22 plus 7. U and F. U is 21. F can be taken as 31 also. Plus 10 plus 10. That's one logic. Opposite page, forward coding, reverse coding, all you try. We got one thing is like plus 8, sir. This is plus 9, 15 plus 9. This is U is 21. F is, we can take it like 6 or 31 also. 32, sorry. 6 plus 26, we can take 32 also. 11. There are different logics. We are trying just 14 and 22, which is 8. This is 4 and 13, which is 9. But we don't have that logic here. This is direct one, so or else the other logic P is 16. 16 plus 11, 27, no. Or put in alphabetical order D, F. Anyone got the answer? Different logics which comes to your mind. The other logic like this also have found D plus 10, N plus 10. D plus 10 is N plus 10 is X. This is plus 10 and this one also is there. F plus 7, O plus 7. If you do plus 7, no, F plus 7 is 13, O plus 7 is 22. This side also there is other logic. Paints opposite things. F is opposite paint, MN is opposite paint. Anyone got the logic? No. So if you go with the options, WT 19 minus 7 12 plus 7 Z is not given. Okay. Maybe while writing values, we may get some idea. We'll see. It is taking time. We'll see. We'll check this again. Anyone got the clue? Let me know, or else we'll see this. Reverse code also, I think no. Okay, and reverse code 30. And this question, if you observe, that will check again. Okay, this is attention to detail. They are giving these questions like they'll give one sentence, how many vowels are there, how many e's are there, like that. And this type of question also, which of the following sentences can be formed with the letters? Attention to details is a great skill. In that letters we can take. With that letters we need to see which option is correct. You can use the letters in that word. Attention to details is a great skill. The concept is attention to details concept basis. They'll ask how many vowels, like that. Here they're asking which can be formed. Attend, okay, attend D. Treat, attend a treat. I think first one is okay. Be attentive, no, because B is not there. Is B letter available in this sentence? B letter. They said using the letters in that word. B is not there. B letter not available. S T A N D. P letter also not available. Why not this option is P letter not there. Attention to details is a great skill. P letter is not available. Then test. How many T's is also fine. Attend. Here one T. This T is used. Fine. T's. Number of T's available is how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only available here. Here 5 T's only available. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's okay. H is not there. Yeah, problem with H letter. H letter. So only first one is okay. Using the letters of the word. Okay. In that sentence, that letters used. Sometimes they ask cannot be formed. Can be formed, cannot be formed. Or sometimes they'll ask you, they'll give options which is having maximum vowels. They'll give 4 sentences in the options. In which sentence maximum vowels are there that you need to select. This is data sufficiency related question. Actually, what they're asking now, 50 students are taking at least one course. Out of chemistry and physics, at least one course means they may take one course or they may take 2 courses. 50 students, they are taking at least one course out of chemistry and physics. Now, question is, how many of the students are taking chemistry but not physics? This is like Venn diagram concept. Total, how many students are there? 50. Chemistry, physics, this is both. Outside is 0 because they take at least one course. They are taking at least one course. So among 50, apart from those 2 circles is 0. Okay, they are asking how many take chemistry but not physics, means this area, only this area. This one, this area they are asking. Chemistry but not physics. And for to answer that, what data is required? Okay, so first data, statement 1. Statement 1 said that 16 students are both. Okay, if I know 16 both, I don't know how many take only physics, right? I don't know. I cannot answer how many take only chemistry. I cannot answer. Statement 1 alone we cannot do. First, always try with alone. 1 alone is not possible. Next, 2 alone. Second one, the number of students taking physics but not chemistry is same as number of students who are taking chemistry but not physics, means this area they are saying same. But with that also, statement 2 alone also you cannot do. 2 alone what they are saying, okay, this is A, this is also A. Middle one, if I know, no, adding all that should be equal to 50. A plus middle one area equal to total 50 area. I don't know middle one using statement 2 alone. First we have to try alone. 1 alone can I solve? No. 2 alone can I solve? No. But together you can solve here. Option D correct, because together this is 16. Statement 1 says that together is 16. And statement 2 says that this area both are same. Chemistry but not physics means this area. Physics but not chemistry means this area. Total area must be equal to 50. Now A plus 16 plus A equal to 50. 2A equal to 34. A equal to 17. What is that value there? Don't worry. I can find. So together I can find the answer. How many going for chemistry but not physics I can find. What is that answer means? A plus 16 plus A plus 0 must be equal to 50. This is total area. Sir, I know formula n of A and B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Sir, why you are adding all? Sir, okay, if your formula n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B is applicable if the value is outside, entire circle value, but this is inside value. Chemistry is A plus 16, physics is A plus 16, together 16, then you can apply that formula. Chemistry entire circle is A plus 16. Physics entire circle is A plus 16. Then n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B you can apply if you want to do in that way. But okay, this is only case means inside. Adding will give total actually. So both statements together. And this type of questions is what the updated things. In fact, they're asking in GATE exam also 2024. GATE 2024 also they ask this type of question. To give clarity, I'll show in this diagram. Now, what actually the question is? Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gates are there, right? First one is showing G. This is the display place. So the 5 gates is there. So first one is pointing G, second one is pointing P, third one is pointing V, fourth is J, okay, fifth one is pointing A. That's what they shown displays GP, VGA. So then what is the question? You have to rotate. You have to. This is excellent questions actually for thinking purpose. They given third gate if it is set as Q. Third one is given as Q. Then what about the remaining? Third one you have to set as Q. What is third one right now? It is V. If you want Q means anti-clockwise, you need to rotate. Now what is the thinking process? If it is 3, it will have impact on 5. When you rotate 3, automatically 5 will rotate, 2 will rotate 4, and 1. All those will disturb. Now the answer is like this. What will be the display? Third one will be definitely Q. Here the options is it DMQMD or is it DMQGD? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. First gate, second gate, third one, fifth one. Third one set to Q. That's why all options third one Q only. Third one is given as Q only in all options. Now we need to think about remaining. What about fourth one and fifth one? Third one is set for Q. Okay, now yeah, think about that. If third one, how many steps you need to rotate is? If you want Q there, 1, then W will come. 2 steps anti-clockwise exit. 3 steps will be Q. So 3 steps anti-clockwise you need to rotate, then you are going to get Q. Now when you rotate third one in anti-clockwise, fifth one whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. If it is okay, that's what okay. If it is fifth one, last letter should be what? That will eliminate two options C. Is it D or F? You need to decide. Fifth one is D or F is what the options. You have to decide is it anti-clockwise. If it is, if you think anti-clockwise, F is the answer. If you think clockwise, D is the answer. So when it touch, oh, okay, when this is going in this way, it will hit this, okay, and it will rotate clockwise. If I am not wrong, if this is anti-clockwise, this will go clockwise. You see, because it will hit here, it will hit here, and it will keep rotating like this. This is all imagination. That's what this question importance is. Okay, this is all you need to think. In GATE 2024 also one of the brands they given this similar question. So when you rotate, no, it's D actually. This is clockwise. I think this will display D. This will go clockwise. Fine. 3 okay. What about 2? When 3 is going anti-clockwise, 2 is going clockwise. As it is hitting R will this go this side, right? R will hit this, N and this will go like this. So 1, this is also clockwise. 3 steps means O, N, M. Second letter should be M. Third is already Q. Fifth is D. No need of too many things. I think with this, I hope your answer will be 2 is M fixed. 2 is M fixed everywhere. Okay, then we need to think about first one. First one also D or B. We have to decide. Now, first one, what will happen as 2 going clockwise? That is going anti-clockwise. Yeah, it will hit. Okay, like this. So it will go above. Yeah, this will go anti-clockwise. It will give D. D, right? Anti-clockwise. Yeah, fine. So yeah, B correct. B correct. Thank you. First one is B. 4 also go anti-clockwise. Automatically G will come. So BMQGD. That's what here also option B selected. BMQGD. Okay, like this also they're asking. So please focus. And this is the one mandatory model you can find always in Cocubes. In fact, any platform also. Inequalities topic we call. Here percentage symbol is what they given. Neither greater. Okay, greater equal not there. Then what is that? Less than, right? They said it's not greater, not equal. If those two are not there means it's definitely less than. Next star means not small, not greater means it's equal. L equal to G. Those separate statements were combining into one statement. H less than L, L equal to G, hash. What is hash? Not smaller than means it is greater than or equal, either greater than or equal. Now we need to bring relation between H and M, H and G, right? See, L equal to G, in place of L, I can keep G as it is. L and G both are equal. I can keep one among that. Okay. I kept only G there. Now, what is the relation between H and G? H less than G. Percentage symbol is what? They are saying equal also. It is saying it's less, sorry, percentage is, yeah, correct only. Percentage means less than. So, second one correct. We got H less than G and it is also saying H less than G. Okay. Now, between H and M, is there any common symbol here? Extreme any common symbol? No means there is no relationship between them. We have options only conclusion 1 is true, only conclusion 2 is true, either 1 or 2, both, neither 1 or 2. Neither nor means both are false. They are not giving option both false like that. They will say neither 1 nor 2 follows. Here only 2 follows is your answer. Why first one eliminated is there is no definite relation between H and M. Relationship exists only when there is a common symbol throughout the path. There is no common symbol throughout the path from H to M, then there is no relationship exists. If you have a doubt, you can draw the diagram. H less than G. H is less than G. Then what they said, G is either greater than M or equal to M. So M can be here, G greater than M only. M can be here, G greater than M only. M can be here, G can be greater than M. M can be here, G equal to M. Now, okay, leave about G. Can anyone say what the relation between H and M here? Leave about G. I want relation between H and M. What you can say? Can anyone say define relationship here? Exact relationship. H can be equal to M. H can be less than M. H can be greater than M. I cannot say definite relationship. Conclusion means definite relation. Definitely true. I cannot say definitely something exists between H and M. I cannot say that. So that's why, okay, when there is no common symbol, no, it means it can be greater, it can be less than, it can be equal. All three possible. That's what actually scenario. So that's what the problem. No relationship between H and M. Only conclusion 2 follows. Next, syllogism concept, Accenture, TCS, every company we are discussing this. Hexaware also, we can say this is important. Now, Hyundai also same thing. Some chalks are dusters, all dusters are markers, some markers are blackboards, which is correct. Second one correct. Only two follows. I'll give the diagram also. See, there is no option called either or. Either or is not there. And some chalks are dusters. All dusters are markers. Some markers are blackboards. Satisfying diagram, you have to draw this. Sorry, satisfying the statement, you have to draw the diagram. Now, which is satisfying the statement is conclusion. Diagram is conclusion. From statement diagram, from diagram conclusion, you have to decide. Okay, you check first for statements diagram correct or not. Some chalks are dusters. All dusters are markers. Some part of markers are blackboard. Now, conclusion you see. What's the first conclusion? Some chalks are blackboards. Chalks and blackboards not at all connected for me. First one wrong. When it is either or is not there in the options, if first one wrong, I can remove from the options. So here first one is there, only one follows no. Both one and two no. First one wrong. What about second one here? Some charts are, yeah, some part of charts are linked with markers. So second one correct. In fact, there is one shortcut if you recall. I said all dusters are markers means in place of dusters you can keep markers directly. All dusters are markers. Don't put markers are dusters. All x are y means wherever x is there you can put y. It's not y place x. Okay, this meaning please understand. All dusters are markers. Wherever dusters is there, remove you can put masters allowed. Markers allowed. So some charts are markers is second one definitely true. Okay, 100% true. That's what second one. This is the other logic. As usual, series they are asking. One set of questions we are discussing. It cannot be 30. Obviously, it cannot be 30. So we can say there is a difference of 3, then 4, then 4, then 6. They given like that. Okay, we have to understand. And what can be here? 3, 4, 4, 6. Then is it 4, 6 or 6, 4? If it is 4, 6, no, then you will get 24. If it is 6, 4 means 26. Or in any other logic. Double plus 0, triple plus 1. 26. 6, 4, 4. You are saying like this. If it is 24, then we'll get 4, 6. 25 not there in the options. Okay. Or any other value logic we are just checking. This is question given in exam masters, so typing mistakes, nothing is there. We're taking the same screenshot. Why not 24? That's the question actually. 3, 4, 5. Three plus 6, 9. Okay. Plus 1. Or alternate numbers, any series also. I'm just checking in that way. Plus 11. Okay. Why not 24? 2 number series, we check that also more, right? If 25 is there, at least we can split 2 numbers. 3, 6 gap is 3, 10, 14 gap is 4, 20, 25 gap is 5. If they given 2, 2, we can take 2, 2 separately like that also. Here 3 gap, here 4 gap, here 5 gap, next 6 gap like that. We may think, but the 2 gap, so okay, we'll see with 2, 2 gap, 3 here. A 3 series, 3, 4, 30. Squares logic also nothing will work. 3 cube plus 3 is 30. Simple question, but still might be any typing error or what. 15, 21. We'll see again. Two questions are pending. This one and one more. Right? So this is a bit easy one. Check this. Diagram related, they're asking definitely. So those dots and this, we have 3 dots there, and this one is given as reverse shape and dots in the above. Now question is like this: 2 dots are here. Now dots should be in the Right side only number of dots not changed, and this should be reverse. Lines also not changed. I think option, yeah, C only. In A, three dots are there. We need only two dots. Number of dots, number of lines not changed. Okay, then B and C only left. That line should be in the opposite direction. Then we can go with C. With this type of diagram questions also we can expect for sure in Cocubes. Next again, okay, data sufficiency. How many people heard my joke? Regarding joke, how many people listened to that joke? Statement one. I told the joke to three friends, each of whom repeated it to four friends who did not tell anybody else. Can we find using statement one alone? How many people heard my joke? Statement one. I told the joke to three friends. The three friends repeated to it to four friends who did not tell anybody else. No one heard the joke twice. Maybe you have a doubt. Each of them tell to four friends, right? Maybe again this first person told to that person again. Second person also told to that person. Might be that's why second statement I said. No one heard it twice. So then okay with those two together, right? Ours, how many matches are played? Okay, there are three teams. Each team played four times, and no matches teams are repeated. Like that's what it's almost similar to that. How many matches are played? Okay, there are three teams or three groups. Okay, in each group, okay, four matches. No, nothing is repeated like that. We can consider so 3 into 4, 12 as we can say because second statement also important. No one heard the joke twice. That may be a dilemma. Okay, these three people maybe all three went to and told the one person, same person, or same four persons only, or they are to the different people that can be confirmed by second one. That's why both statements together are sufficient. Lot will think about statement one alone, but in statement one alone there is a dilemma whether same can it repeat or listened from different people. Second one is giving that clarity. So both statements together, not one alone, two alone, together we can answer. And this is regarding simplification. Okay, some questions like a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube formulas also. They're giving here it is easy. So six powers you fix first of all. What is 6 power 4 to the power 2? A power m whole power n is a power m into n. So 4 into 2, 8. Denominator is 6 power 2 into 3, 6 will come. 6 power 6, we will get 6 square. Here 8 power 10, 8 power 12, we will get 8 power minus 2. Or 1 by 8 square better. Whereas 2 power 6 extra available. Here 3 power 4, denominator is 3 power 6. So denominator 1 3 square will come extra. Okay, so this 3 square, this is 6 square, we'll get 2 square. 2 square into 2 power 6 is 2 power 8. 8 is written as 2 cube. 2 power 6, I think finally we'll end with 4. You check once 2 power 8 divided by 2 power 6, we'll get 2 square, which is. You do all those calculations, check it out once. So this is what finally we left with this. 4 is the answer. Simplification related stuff they're asking. And yeah, this is question related to averages. So see the question what they're asking actually. The average monthly salary of all employees is 3,000 in a corporation. All employees salary average is 3,000, and here male employees salary average is 3,200. Females is 2,200. Question is female percentage in that company. How many females? First, if you know female employees, male employees, that ratio. Here we cannot find count exactly. We can find only ratio. Male how many, female how many ratio will get. If it is suppose male and female both 1:1, then they will say female is 50%. Depends on that we can decide. But here, okay, Overall corporation is 30,000. Okay, male is 3,200, female average is 2,200. Can anyone guess whether female ratio is more or male ratio is more? Male more in company or female more in company? What is male average salary? 3,200. Female 2,200. Overall value is close to male or close to female salary. Overall company average salary is how much? 3,000. Is it close to male salary or female salary? Male salary. That indicates male is more in the company. If both are equal, it is exactly in the middle. It is close to males, so that's what you can understand. Okay, and this ratio you can apply. There is a shortcut actually. Okay, males are 3,200. If you know mixtures and allegations, see overall employee salary means mixing, right? Male plus female combine. When you combine or mix, you can apply mixtures and allegations. You can take difference, put in opposite side. This difference is 800. This difference is 200. You may question me, sir, why you are taking difference putting in opposite side. One basic logic is you said males are more already. Male side should be more. When you take difference now, okay, male should be more. That side should be more. So take difference, put in opposite side. In missions and allegations, we given clarity why you have to do all that also. Now 800, 200, right? I'll remove 10 only. Now what is the ATN? Total percentage is 100%. Males are 80, females are 20. 20 percentage. I can write 4 is to 1 also. Again, I have to convert into percentage. Okay, total 100%. 800 plus 20 is 1000. I want 100. Remove 10. 80% male, 20% female. So, if female employees in the company is 20, 80 is male. Okay, there is one more logic using average only we can solve this. Okay, how can you? I'll give the glimpse here also. Okay, in averages concept, what is the average formula? Sum of terms divided by what is sum equal to? Average into number of, right? So, see, what is the male salary? Male salary is 3,200 is the average number of males is M. Female salary is 2,200 is the average number of females is F. Adding, we need overall salary, right? What is overall? 3,000 is the average. Number of employees is M plus F. Overall salary, adding male plus female should be overall. Here overall average is 3,000. Overall employees are M plus 5. Average into number of is total will come. Total salary. Now 3,200, 3,000 M. Difference is 200 M. 2,200 F, 3,000 F. Difference is 800 F. M by F is 800 by 200. We use 80 and 20. Same thing here. This cancel. M by F is or M is to F is 80 and 20. This is actually averages concept. I given in different style. This is using averages. This is the alternate method. Next to this side, this type of silly questions also they are asking. 3 by 11th of double 3 double 3 equal to what? Okay, so this is 3 by 11. Half means multiplication. Double 3 double 3. This is 303, right? We'll get 909. Option A 909. 3 by 11th of 3,333. This is combinations and combinations related stuff. We have an 8-digit telephone number. Please focus on that. We have an 8-digit telephone number. First 3 digits are 874. From left to right are 874. They fixed it. Out of 8 digits, 3 are fixed. How many are there? 5 more we need to plan. There are exactly 2 zeros in the number. 2 zeros are exactly in that number. In telephone number, apart from 874, there are two more zeros. And one of the digits is repeated thrice. We need still, right? So one of it is repeated. Remaining three digits are all distinct. What will be the probability of having only 18 and 17 and 14 in the telephone number? Probability is favorable out of total. Okay, so see they said 874 starting and you have still how many slots? 5 slots. In these 5 slots, there are 2 zeros and same numbers repeated thrice. I can say 8 also may repeated 8 one time, here 8 two times, total thrice in the number. They said thrice in the number, not in this remaining. Okay, thrice 2 zeros in the number. Among 8 digit number, 2 zeros. Okay, so here fine, 2 zeros will occupy any of these places. That can be fine, no problem. Now remaining 3 digits are distinct. So there are totally 2 zeros and one number is repeated thrice. It can be 444 or it can be, we will take overall 8 digit number. In that 8 digit number, 2 zeros is there. There is one number A is repeated thrice and remaining 3 are different. It's not 0 and A, remaining 3 are different. Okay, now what is the total? Then we'll go for favorable. This can be, remaining 3 can be ones, can be twos, can be threes. Okay, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6. So that's, we'll look. That's what favorable out of total. Okay, first this all 3 can be 1. It can be a digit 1. It can be a digit 2. It can be a digit 3. It can be 5. It can be 6. It can be 9. How many ways that is? 6 ways. Or it can be 2 eights and other one. What can be that other one? That will decide number of ways. See, here this is 6 ways dear already. What is that 6 ways is 874 is already there. 2 zeros and that repeated number can be 111, 222, 333, 44, sorry, 555, 666, 999. Or it can be, okay, this, I'm talking about these 3 places first of all. These 3 slots, my focus is on these 3 slots. All these 3 slots can be occupied by ones, by twos, by threes, by fours, 5, 6, 9. Or it can be occupied 2 1 8 already there. Here 2 eights, other one should be, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 5, it can be 6, it can be 9. So 6 ways there. Already this is 6, here 6. Similarly, 7, 7, other one can be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. It can be 4, 4, other one can be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. It can be 0, remaining 2 may be different. 2 zeros already there, right? No, sorry. They said exactly, no, exactly 2 zeros. I cannot go like that. Exactly 2 zeros they mentioned. I cannot take third 0. So is there anything missing here? Now they're asking how many have probability of 18, 17 and 14. There are exactly 2 zeros in the number and one of the digits is repeated thrice. The remaining 3 digits are all distinct. What will be the probability of giving only 1, 18, 17 and 14 is actually 6. Okay. Favorably 6. Total 24 means 1 by 4. Is there any other thing missing? Yeah. All ones, all twos, all threes. Because 0 we cannot do. We have total 9 digits. So 0 we cannot do. 10, 0 to 9, 10 digits. So 0 no, 8 no, 7 no, 4 no. So 6, 5. Here two eights, two sevens, two fours. Now, as per this, so 874008881, let us say. There are two zeros, one number repeated twice, so two zeros. That's satisfied only. So as per our logic, it should be favorably 6 actually. We want 181714, this one. Multiplied with factorial also, that will come same way. How many distinct? Okay, we'll complete that once. One moment, I'll add one extra slide. So what's the answer you are guessing? What's your thought? Answer? So these five slots can be arranged in five factorial ways. Our entire number also we can consider. So entire number, 8 numbers, so 8 factorial ways. But 874 is fixed already, right? So first three slots fixed. So this 5 numbers only, 5 factorial. Two zeros is that 2 factorial divided. That also we cannot do. Left to right are 874. There are exactly two zeros in the number, and one of the digits is repeated thrice. That also we taken care of. Yeah, 1 by 10 is the answer. We'll get, so let's check this actually. Okay, we got that 1 by 10. Okay, see, favorable is they said like we want 874 only once. Okay, so 874 only once, and we have two zeros fixed. Remaining can be ones, or remaining can be twos, or remaining can be threes, like that. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 6, all those cases, right? That's why into 6 is because I'm taking these three slots can be filled by ones, can be filled by twos, can be filled by threes, or fives, or six, or nine. Into 6 is because of that. What is this 5 factorial is? Those 5 numbers can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, divide by 2 factorial because zeros are repeated twice, divide by 3 factorial because 3 same digit is there. That is 60. Okay, if you do all that, we got 60 is the value. Okay, whereas total is not only this, favorable is 60, total is remaining things. 8 can be repeated thrice, 7 can be repeated thrice, 4 can be repeated thrice. Already it came one time, next 2 times it should come, 8 should come 2 times. That's why in this 5 numbers, 5 factorial, 2 factorial because of zeros. Here 2 factorial, it can be 8 coming 2 times or 7 coming 2 times or 4 coming 2 times. It can be 8, 7, 4. That's why into 3 here. So what is that 6 multiplied by 6? What is multiplied by 3? Into 3 because it can be 2 8s or 2 7s or 2 4s. These two slots, I'm talking about these two slots can be occupied by 2 8s or 2 7s or 2 4s. That's why into 3. What is this into 6? Can anyone help me? What is this multiplied by 6? This last slot can be 1 or 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. Okay, 60 favorable plus remaining will give total 600. If we cancel that now, 5 factorial is 120. 120 divided by 4 will give 30. 30 into 6 is 180. 180 into 3, we got 540. 540 plus 60 is 600. Favorable 60, total 600. I got 1/10. How many such? This is again good question. You check once. Okay. Why into 6 here? Why into 6 into 3? What is this 60? 60 is favorable. Favorable plus all cases is what total? Okay. Favorable, that's 60. Okay. 8 and 7 and 4 come only one time. Zeros 2 times. Some other number 3 times. So that you check once. Next is Serena can stitch a shirt in 6 hours. After half of the shirt is stitched, 3 friends of Serena who have the same efficiency start working on the shirt. See, actually, there is a question if you see in your material, okay, or maybe your juniors materials also related to pipes and systems. We said like to fill a tank, the same question. If you search this question, you don't get in Google, but this question is there in your ACE material as well. Like we said, a tank can be filled in 6 hours. After half of the tank is filled, 3 more taps are open. What is the total time taken to fill the tank? For full tank, 6 hours means half of the tank, 3 hours. So here also to stretch a shirt, 6 hours. Half shirt, 3 hours. If only one person is there, only Serena is there, remaining half shirt also generally 3 hours. But 3 more, 3 friends of Serena joined. Serena is the now 3 friends of Serena having same capacity. If Serena typing one page in 1 hour, remaining friends also type one page in 1 hour. Same efficiency. So 3 more added means 4 people, right? When people are more, time taken will be less. 3 by 4th of the hour is 45 minutes. So for first half of the tank, 3 hours. For next half, 45 total, 3 hours 45 minutes. That's not the answer. But this question they give in that way. In pipes and systems we have, but here they asked in a different way. Check this once. So what is the answer? You know circumference, the radius is R. So when radius is circumference is given, how to calculate the area of circle is simple. That's what they are question. The formula is pi r square divided by 2. If we take 1 r separately and we'll put it like, okay, 2 pi r, yeah, 2 pi r divided by 2, then this will be similar, RC by 2. Option A is correct only. RC divided by 2. Next, a person gains 10% while buying and 10% while selling an item by using false weights. What is his total profit percentage is the question. While buying, you are getting 10% gain, and while selling also you are getting 10% gain using false weights. Okay, so now what is the total profit percentage? Let us say it's a 100 rupees product. Okay, 100 rupees product. The value of the product is 100. While buying, you are doing some false. You are getting 10% gain means you are getting it for 90 rupees only. It's 100 rupees product. You are getting 10 rupees profit. While selling means you are selling it for 110. You are purchasing for 100, selling it for 110. It's 21 point something will come actually. Okay, we'll see about 20 rupees profit with respect to 90. It's actually 21% only will come. 10 plus 10, yeah. Fine, this is one logic. The other logic is like you are getting 10% gain, again 10% gain, right? You can write 110% into 110%. First you are getting 10% gain, again 10% gain, 110 into 1. Gain means extra, more than 100%, right? So 110% means 110 divided by 100. Here also 110 divided by 100. So this 0, this one cancel. Numerator 11 into 11. 121 divided by 100 is 121%, means 21% profit. It's not 20, 21%. X percent means x by 100. 121 by 100 can be written as 121%. 110 into 110, why not 110, 110? Gain while purchasing, again you are getting gain while selling. If it is 20% gain, it's 120% will. Here meaning is they want to convey it's not 10 plus 10, 20. Some people may be taking like that. That's why we have option 20 also. It's not the correct one. So next one, logarithms. Definitely you can find one question. Logarithms. Log of 2x minus 6 plus log of x minus 3 is nothing but equal to log of 5x plus 15. Approximate value of x they are asking. You may got find exact x value, or they may are asking approximate value of x. What is log a plus log b? Log of a into b. If you product no, then log is there in both sides. We can equate. So 2x minus 6 into x minus 3 is nothing but equal to 5x plus 15. Here 2x square minus 6x minus 6x minus 12x. This 5x also will join minus 17x. 18 and this 15, 3 will be there. Okay, how this is possible? Maybe yeah, 18. This side 15. That's what they're asking. Approximate value might be. We'll see. Is there any calculations mistake from my side? 2x square, okay. This will cross minus 6x minus 6x minus 12x. That 5x come to this side also minus 5x minus 17x for sure. Here 18, right side 15, 3 only will come. And that's why maybe they're asking approximate value because of that. Any subtractions? Yeah. 5x that side. 15 minus 15, that's why. Here 16 to 3, 18 is there, right? 18 minus 15, 3 only. We'll check any other thing must. Fine, okay, now we'll put, this is, you can use minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac something that, because we cannot create 2 into 3, 6, 6 splitting into 17 is not possible. Then you can use that minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac 4 into 6, 24 divided by 2a, right? So 289 minus 24 will be 250, 265. 265, we'll take it like, okay, around 16 something it will come. 17 plus 16, okay, 16 less than 60, right? Root 256, square root of 256 is 16. They're asking approximate value. In question, calculate approximate value is the one. So that's what you can find around 8. Because 17 root 289 minus 24, it's close to 260 something. I mentioned 265. I'll take that square root is 16 point something. 17 plus 16 plus minus both are there. I'll take plus, means we'll get 33 point something divided by 4 is close to 8, not 10. 10 means I need numerator 40. So yeah, 8 is the approximate value You are not finding exact X value here. Okay, among options which is close to fit. Batsman in his 17th innings made a score of 85 and there increases his average by 3. What is his average after 17 innings? This is also routine question in many exams. He scored 85 in 17th innings. Then average increased by 3. Means 16 innings average, if it is A, this is important. 16 innings average, you take it like A. Now what is the new average is A plus 3. Why A plus 3? Increases his average by 3. This is after 17th innings. 16 innings average A, 17th innings he scored 85. Now average become A plus 3. Now the question is what is his average after 17 innings? A plus 3 only they are asking. Now how can you do this is, see, score in 16 innings. What is sum equal to? In averages, sum equal to average into number of. 16 innings, 16 average is a S1 to 16 is what, sir? Scores from first inning to 16 innings. S1 plus S2 plus S3 so on up to S16. Now this one 17 innings means 1 to 16 plus 17th innings how much he scored? 85 equal to 17 into A plus 3. Why 17 here? Why 17? Because number of innings is now 17. Why A plus 3? Average increased by 3. Now here 16A, 17A, 85 minus 51. 85 minus 51 will give 34. You have 34 in the answer, but correct answer is 37. A is 34. A is average for 16 innings. Question is after 17 innings, 37. This is common question in any textbook. Sum equal to average into number of. That if you know average, everything can be solved. You just see how that equation is formed. S1 to 16, total 17 innings score required. S1 to 16 is 60 plus 17 innings. Okay, together is that. Now, similar question, average of 11 elements is 50. First 6 is 49. Last 6 is 52. Find the sixth result. See, 11 results average means sum of 11 results average is 50. So, x1 to 11 is 50 into 11. Why 50 into 11? X1 to 11 means 11 numbers. 1, 2, 3, so on up to 11. Number of is 11, average is 50. Next, first 6 is 49. Last 6 means from where to where? Among 11 results, last 6 means 6 to 11. Which is common in both 6. They are asking that one only. They are asking that common one only. Now, if you add these two, no, x1 to 6 plus x6 to 11, right hand side 6 common, 49 plus 52, 101, 101 into 6 is 606. Left hand side x1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 is extra, right? That 1, 6 I will put it out. Then what are the numbers left over? 1 to 11, that is x1 to 11. x1 to 11 is 550, x6 will be 56. Here we have 6 common. If I take 1, 6 separately now, then remaining 1 to 11 will come. That 1 to 11 value already we identified 550. If you put that, then we will get x6 value as 56. Averages, this is question given in Cocubes platform. Coding and decoding, okay, luxury is 30. What is the number of letters here? 5. Tile, how many letters? Tile is 24. Number of letters? 4. Gills is what they are asking. See, number of letters is 5, right? They are multiplying 5 with 6. A number of letters is 4, they are multiplying with a constant 6. A number of letters is 6, they are multiplying. They are constantly multiplying. 6n is the logic. N is number of letters. Okay, this question now, if you don't have that idea, we'll add L value 12, forward code, reverse code and all. But here the logic is multiplying by 6 with number of letters. 6 into 5 like that. And this question, left side element, same thing exists in which one? That element axis is required. Here I have a rectangle, I don't want this. Here I have two circles, I don't want this. Is this first one available? In the first one, everything is there, right? Same elements required in the right side. It can be in any position. Here, Y hexagon. Yeah, these two circles can be joined and will come here. Okay, one triangle above, one square, one circle. I think second one is still okay. Third one, fourth one, circles are not there. That's blunder. Is it okay? We'll see about circles. So two full circles and one half required. Two full circles, one half required. One square is there. One triangle is there. Yeah, it's definitely second one, not third one. Because you see about circles, here one full circle, these two joined, one circle will come. Then one more half circle is there. Two and a half required, that's there in second one. In third one, two full circles is there. I want two full circles plus half piece. Next one is rotation. If you rotate this diagram now, which will come? You can rotate 90 degrees or 180 degrees or 270 or 45. It's all your wish. Any angle you can rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. Which is correct is the question, right? Then if that is the case, always keep in mind, clockwise if we go here, this element's order never will change. Here half moon, then plane, then triangle, right? So after half moon, this is not triangle. Okay, here half moon, plane, then triangle, then circle after square required. Anywhere you go clockwise from that element, half moon, plane, triangle, okay, then circle after triangle square required. This is wrong. Here half moon, plane, okay, I think this is okay. Third one, okay. Okay, third one, fine. What about fourth one? What is the issue with fourth one? Third one, fourth one, what's the problem? We'll see. I think third one also wrong because of this element. No, that shape correct only. Wait, wait. Is it third one or fourth one? You see this triangle line, okay, same. Circle line, same. After clock, plane, then triangle. Yeah, there is no gap. This much gap is not there. Yeah. Third one correct. Immediately very good. Third one correct. Similarly, here also they said rotating. Which one is correct likewise? You can. This is also rotation. Rotation related. Okay, and we have a lot of Cocubes related platform questions. So we'll share it in your group. Okay, use it to the max. They're given decimal to binary. As you are from electrical and electronics, that's easy to handle these questions. Right. This is time and work chain rule, very easy question. Lisa will take 5 days to complete a work. If they want to do 3 iterations of the same work, how many days? To complete a work, 5 days. If you want to do it 3 times, same work 3 times I have to do. 15 days, right? One time 5 days, same work I have to repeat 3 times, 15 days. So like that, they're asking basic questions also. Please.